find the eagles yet? There's the plane, yep. Yeah, you found them. You can put my Fisher Price counter in the garage. Has a green base there.
Oh. Raymond, they are beautiful. I'll swing over here and try and get that one coming around. As this one disappears, we'll see if we can get your...
It's just, I've got the bottom one now is just going to make a loop around the lawn.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so now it's going to come back down and just make a loop.
So I can maybe get both of them on here. Oh, here's one coming coming back again. Oh, yeah. And one going underneath. Oh, that's a bit of a grind up that grade. There's Maureen and Cynthia and Raymond, the master engineer. Well, apart from the trains, he's done all kinds of wonderful things in the back garden. You've got the porch. This is as good as Legoland. Sorry if I'm swinging around here a bit quick. But look at this is in the back garden, and then he has one inside the house too, I think. Wow. Oliver Davis guiding the yellow train we see coming in here. He stopped it so his dad can take pictures.
Oh yeah. Good stopping. Good engineering. We'll have to tell Raymond.
What was
We'll
that?
have to back it up.
Yep, back up.
So go the other direction.
Good thing you're paying attention.
Oh yeah,
Attaboy,
that's for
good driving,
sure.
Oliver.
We'd have had a collision there with this train.
We gotta back it up all the way to here.
Keep going.
And then I'll throw
The switch.
Then we'll throw this switch.
That's
Now
good
you can
there.
stop. We'll throw the switch and this switch, and now it'll go on the inside loop. There
Wow.
you go.
Good
thing
driving.
you're paying attention.
That could have been a near tragic event there.
Near tragic.
Does that one have a whistle?
Yeah,
does.
blow the horn, Oliver.
Can you give us a whistle, Oliver? Once more, please. Oh, diesel, yeah, we can hear the diesel whistle. Beautiful. We're all having a good time. Oh, we're still on video here, I think. Doors here now, and look what we've got here. This is part of his indoor setup, and Maureen can send him his coffee on this train when he's working in
I
there.
could be so lucky. This is a temporary installation. That's neat. So what I like to do is on that peninsula out there is change the track somewhat so I can have just a loop on the peninsula. And then I think I'd like to make that loop electrified, and then I can run this.
Oh, no, no. Storage.
Oh yeah, that's right. I forget about that thing.
Oh!
Yeah, I built a vertical yard, so you can bring it up whatever level you want.
Oh, that's
So you have access to all the different place to store more trains.
pretty slick.
My goodness.
I just lucked out there was enough gap between the door and the wall
Yeah.
that it fit. And these are just sliders for a drawer,
Yeah,
cabinet drawer.
yeah.
But that's ingenious to think of those going that way.
Yeah, I saw, again, you flip through magazines, and I saw something like a shelf unit, and it dawned on me, well, why couldn't you make that slide up and down? You hiding?
I like your poster here.
Getting
Got your
a,
own little workbench there.
little is the key word, an old school desk.
See, he does have a clock there.
He just, I don't know why.
Didn't take any notice of it.
That's fine, you know, winter, he's in here quite happy and.
Yeah.
Yep.
No, it works good. I quite enjoyed
And
digging
this
it
has
out.
all been in the last 2 or 3 years.
This maybe 3 winters. You know, it started with just this piece here.
Yeah.
You have a products company right here and. Yeah. Raymond, and what's this one? I didn't use that one. Raymond on the rail.
Raymond on the rail. I just Googled Raymond things and then Raymond signs, and then you get popping up all these images with the word Raymond in it. I mean, the internet's just full of
It
everything.
is.
Yeah, it is on that.
There's a good Tim Hortons over there, look.
Tim Hortons
Try to
advert.
Canadianize it.
And I like this one. This is my brewery.
Oh, right. The
So
Belgian
so
brewery.
so I was